You ever sit there, staring at your screen, asking yourself, what even is this life? 1 minute you're feeling like a genius. The next minute, a missing semicolon makes you question your entire existence. Today, I'm going to share 8 weird but brutally honest truths about coding life, the kind no tutorial ever mentions. If you're a beginner, this will save your sanity. If you've been coding for a while, well, you'll laugh in pain. You'll never feel ready. Here's the thing: imposter syndrome isn't just real. It's a permanent resident in your brain. You can take 10 courses, build 5 projects, even land a job, and still think, I don't know enough to be here. You think once you learn everything, that feeling will vanish? Newsflash, you'll never learn everything. And that's okay. The real devs? They just show up anyway. You will forget things you just learned. You'll finish a tutorial. It made sense. You got it. Then, 2 days later, you open VS Code and go, wait, how do I even loop again? This doesn't mean you're dumb. It means you're human. Repetition and practice beat passive watching. Build small things. Break them. Rebuild. That's how it sticks. Debugging is 80% of the job. No one tells you this, but actual coding is like 20% writing features. The other 80%? Staring at your screen. Reading error messages. Trying to understand what you did wrong. Sometimes it's a logic bug. Sometimes it's a typo. Sometimes it's a missing bracket. Welcome to the real dev loop. Write, break, Google, fix, repeat. Stack Overflow is a lifeline, not cheating. People think real developers don't Google things. That's a lie. Pros are professional Googlers. They know how to search, how to filter, and how to adapt solutions. It's not about memorizing everything. It's about knowing how to find what you need when you need it. Stack Overflow isn't cheating. It's teamwork with strangers. Your first 5 projects will suck, and that's normal. Your UI won't look great. Your code will be messy. You'll feel like everyone else is doing better. But here's the plot twist. That bad project is exactly what you needed to grow. Nobody starts with perfect code. Nobody. Each broken app is a stepping stone. Don't delete it, study it. Tutorial hell is real and dangerous. You know the trap where you go from one YouTube tutorial to another? And then another and another? Yeah, that's called tutorial hell. You feel productive, but you're not creating, you're consuming. Solution? Build your own stuff. Even if it's ugly. Even if it barely works. Original projects force your brain to problem solve. That's where real growth happens. There's always a better way, don't chase it. As soon as you write something, you'll find 10 blog posts saying you did it wrong. Framework wars, best practices, code wars. It's overwhelming. But here's the truth. Most of that noise only matters when you're deep in the game. Right now? Focus on shipping things. Make it work, then make it better. Clean code is great, but functional code wins. You will burn out unless you don't code 24/7. Everyone says grind every day, but your brain isn't GitHub. It needs rest. You don't need to code 10 hours a day to become a dev. You need consistency. Even 1 hour a day adds up. But if you go too hard too fast, you'll hate what you once loved. Protect your passion. Rest is part of the process. So yeah, coding life is weird. You'll love it. You'll hate it. You'll yell at semicolons and high-five yourself when things finally run. But in the chaos, remember this. If it's hard, it means you're learning. If it's frustrating, it means you care. And if you're still here, you're already doing better than you think.